What is going on, y'all? Finally made it to the Great Lake of the Ozarks after an 8-hour ride. It was a long ride. I drove the whole way, so I'm a little exhausted, but it's all right. Not exhausted enough to not fish, if y'all know what I mean. We're throwing a little chatterbait with a green pumpkin striking rage crawl on the trailer. Kind of using it as a jig, just chattering off the bottom, off the rocks. Seeing a lot of bait fish up here in this pocket. Drops off pretty deep as well, so looks like I've seen some shad too, but it's hard to tell. So I might get off the glide bait, honestly. Throw it around for a little bit. But doing a little shore fishing just to get the feel for the water. Get the depths right off the shore, see what the fish are eating. The water clarity, which is actually pretty clean compared to the Channel Lakes back at home in Illinois. Pretty clean here. Water does look a little low. As you can see, the docks up here, they're kind of way up there. This is a floating dock, so this is gonna stay where the water is. But yeah, it looks a little bit low. Not too low, but a little bit. That's what we're working with right now at the moment. Through like 3 casts with my football jig that I literally just got. And it's gone already. Lost it on this brush pile over here. But this brush pile looks really nice. I'm gonna go flip it a few more times. I feel like there's a fish in it. Looks really nice. But yeah, we'll be back with you in a short few. Alright, y'all. Got a little trailer backing in action for you. Wheel bearing is toast. As you can see, there ain't nothing left. Exploded on the highway, I guess. Didn't even know until we got here. I knew I heard it when I was driving. You're good, keep coming. Start cutting it. Start cutting it. So, whoa! You have to go forward. There ain't no way to back this thing in. There ain't no room. What? You're gonna have to go forward. You're about to run the boat into the pillar over there, concrete. A little fun for y'all. So we're gonna try to swing the boat in here. Good thing I brought a jack and some tools, so we're gonna try to get the wheel bearing changed today so we can drop the boat in tomorrow. Obviously the boat is not going anywhere today. After cutting it like that, we almost fell off. Oh! Go forward one more time. Go forward one more time and then cut it harder, and then I think you'll get it. You're about to hit the boat on the concrete.
Can we take it off and turn it?
It's like this far. I don't think.
How are we gonna get it out of here, dude?
I don't know. Yeah, we ain't turning it. What? We ain't gonna be able to turn it. No. I'll be back with y'all guys. All right, y'all. At the boat ramp. New wheel bearing is on. Good to go. All greased up. I'm gonna drop her in and leave her on the water for the next 4 days. See how she does. Lake Ozarks 2024 trip, guys. And it's a smallmouth. No, it's, yeah, it is a smallmouth. Little baby smallmouth.
Oh yeah. Where'd you catch him just now?
Yeah, hit the buzzbait. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. 2 of them on the A-rig.
Hell yeah.
Hey, thank you. You too, sir.
2 of them, dude.
Snapped your line.
There you go.
Probably 2-pounders. Tournament fish. Snapped your line, dude.
Did it?
Yeah.
Damn. Look at that.
I got the GoPro on. Look at that. That's awesome.
There we go. That's a nice one there.
Yeah, that's a good 2.5er right there. Man, I apologize, guys. I'm missing all the nice fish. That's a good 2.5-pounder right there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Where'd you catch it? Right on the shore?
Yeah, pretty much.
I thought he told you to let him on going.
Yeah. Yeah. Apparently, this is where they release all the fish for the tournaments around here. So they probably do their takeoff and meetings and everything right here.
Probably.
Another one, guys. Another one bites of dust. Didn't get it on the camera again. I'm slacking, guys. Definitely slacking. Probably number 12 that we got. Something like that. Put a lot of dinks this morning.
£1.5 pounds?
I think he's... Yeah. He's probably a heavy 1.5 pounds. Probably just light it 2.
Maybe.
I say he's 1 pound, 14 ounces. Yeah, he's probably 2 pounds. 1 pound, 14 ounces.
1 pound 14. He's
Yeah.
over 14, right?
Yeah, he's definitely over
You'd rather
14.
keep him in a tournament.
Yeah. He's probably 15.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's 15.5. He's really light for his size, actually. He's skinny.
Yeah.
A little stiffer action. Now it's a heavy rod instead of a heavy medium. There's another one. There's a nice one for you guys. Finally got one hooked up on the GoPro. No, he's not that nice. Never mind. They all feel nice on the A-rig. He's not bad. We're over the dinks. That's good. That's 5 fish in this channel, dude. That's a tournament bag right here in this channel.
That's nice.
Hell yeah. Sweet. Tournament bag right here on this channel. All of them over 14. It's not a bad deal right there. Hooked up, guys, on the A-rig. There we go. That's a nicer fish. Just on these pylons. 100 feet of water. Damn, buddy. It's a better fish. It's not bad. Yeah, little guy. Ripped his lip pretty good. Nice little guy. I know, I've seen some big ones up here. Here you go, kid. Don't snap the line. Keep tension on them. That is a nice one. Is it really?
It is. Oh, get the net, Matthew, get the net.
Here you go, kid. Keep tension on them. Keep tension on them. Fight them slow. Don't keep tightening it. Don't keep tightening. Alright, bring them up.
Get him, Matthew. Yeah!
There you go, kid. There you go, kid.
Five, dude.
That's a 2.5-er.
Let's go, dude. It's my fishy right there. Oh, yeah, he took it. I probably could have got him up by mine.
Yeah, you could have both. That's a nice one, guys. Hold them up, JT. Let's see.
Let's see by me.
Here.
I love
Hold them like this. Put your one finger like this. Hold them just like that. There you go. Now hold them up to your chest. There you go, kid.
Yes, son.
Nice.
He's too heavy for me.
That's a nice fish, JT. Hooked up on another white bass. Fun little fish.
Dude, that's a big one. That's a nice one. That's a freaking 5-pounder.
Ain't no 5-pounder. Jackson was hooked up. Another 2.5. It's a nice one though. It's not a bad little fish. Show the camera. There you go, kid.
It's a nice one. It's a decent size.
Yeah, that is a decent one. Sorry guys, I stopped turning the GoPro on because I thought they were all stripers, but here we go. Nice little fish right there. It's not bad. Probably a 2.5-pounder. There you go. That's not bad, guys. That's not bad. Thought it was a striper. I didn't even bother turning the camera on. Catch those things at home, you know? I did too. Until I seen them jump, and I was like, "Oh, that's a bass." And I didn't want to turn the camera on and lose them, so sorry, guys.